What is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns on Earth. One of its main causes is increasing greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, which came from the burning fossil fuels. Causes of climate change: the use of fossils in this industry, transportation, and electricity. Deforestation, which leads to the loss of trees. Excessive plastic use and improper waste disposal. Effects of climate change: how those days affects us. Stronger and more frequent storms, extreme heat leading to drought and wildfires, rising sea levels that may subdue. But we can make a difference. Plant trees and protect our forests. Reduce plastic and follow the reduce, reuse, recycle principle.